2 days ago, Midjourney inducted a significant update, and here I am about to reveal what this update about. The highlight was the alpha release of Midjourney Niji Alpha 6, a specialized server made specifically to handle anime generations. You have 2 ways to access Niji Server. First, through the Midjourney bot, simply append _Niji followed by the 6 to your prompt. For instance, the incredible Hulk eating pizza in a yellow suit. The results are stunning, especially this fourth option. The prompt is perfectly captured in the imagery. It's a visual feast, exactly what you'd expect from Hulk to appear in an anime-style image. On the other hand, you can access Niji bot through the Niji server. The invite link is in the description. Once you're in, navigate to any image generation channel, create your masterpiece, and react with an envelope emoji. This will get you a direct line to the bot for more personalized interactions. Make sure switch to Niji version 6 in your settings to get the full experience. Keep watching this guide till the end to witness how I generated these enhanced versions from the same prompt step by step. Here's a hot tip: you can spice up your images with text, but keep it short, sweet, and precise. As such, prompts perform best. Want an example? See how beautifully Niji has created these funky white tigers according to what I described in the prompt. Additionally, this Niji robot with the speech bubble, it's super cool and adds a personal touch. Remember, this is still in alpha, so features like in-painting, panning, or zooming out, just like updated to Midjourney V6, aren't available yet. They're expected to be integrated later, or we might have a full launch soon. Currently, we have access to a subtle upscale, both in creative and strong variants. If you're finding this video useful, a like would be appreciated to help spread the word. There's more. Let me show you just how potent Niji version 6 is. With each iteration, you will learn something new, so stick around. I have tried to get a boy and girl characters to sit together on a bench, and Niji V6 produced spectacular results compared to its older version. Then I embedded a speech bubble, and Niji V6 created its magic and cracks cool and captivating results. Number 2 is good, but I like the first option the most. Moreover, I enhanced the prompt with 2 speech bubbles, one for a boy and one for a girl. Somehow it incorporated 2 speech bubbles, but was unable to display the exact text in the generated images. But this is not the end. I made slight modifications to the prompt, but still, I was unable to create results what I was imagining. By keeping in mind that AI is the name of creating possibilities from nowhere, I changed the stylized value to 200, and it somehow managed to get a close result to my prompt. It was a tough nut to crack. But now, check out these characters chilling on a bench and speech bubble text, exactly what I was targeting in the prompt. This result is nothing short of astonishing. Remember, this model is anime-centric, so by using style, raw parameter result will change completely, as you can see, and the combo with the stylized value even changes the generation aspect completely. Regarding the style value, experimenting with different levels does seem to make a substantial difference. Look at this example, for instance. I tested this with a prompt at various stylized values, from 100 up to 700, and observed quite astonishing changes in all over the generations. As we increase the stylized value, you can see how beautifully it enhanced the results from 300 to 400, 600, 700, and extremes like 1000 do produce distinct results. It's worth exploring these for unique outcomes. Lastly, a tip on chaos values. Keep them low, ideally between 0 and 6. Higher values like 10, 20, or 40 can result in chaotic, unclear images. It's all about finding the right balance for your creative vision. Midjourney Niji is a playground for your imagination to focus on anime-style assets. My advice: experiment as much as you like. I hope this introduction to Niji V6 has been useful for you to understand. For more tips on Midjourney V6, check out these videos. Stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next one.